Christmas time comes early in this house. We decorate before Thanksgiving. I don't want to say that superior way to decorate for Christmas, but it's the superior way to decorate for Christmas. I've been waiting so long to film this video for you. I have a pile of Christmas decor that I've been accumulating over the past couple of weeks. Without further ado, let's transform my room into a magical Christmas wonderland. So not only are we decorating, we do need to do a little bit of cleaning as well. Let me just show you what we're working with. It's all just girl mess. I have a chaotic bed, but we're gonna strip the sheets, clean them, wash them. If you know, you know. Girl mess is beautiful, but chaotic. Been scrolling on Pinterest and I think that the vibe that I want to go for is more cozy, warm Christmas, but I also want there to be like some frosted element. I do like the snowy vibe. I want to incorporate a lot of bows, certain like vintagey elements like candlesticks, homemade ornaments, stuff like that. So I've definitely been liking that vibe more than stuff that like kind of looks super staged and like perfect in my opinion. I like a little bit of chaos. Okay, so the hard part is over. It took me several hours to clean and reorganize my room. I moved around some of the furniture a little bit. I kind of wanted a different space, a different layout for the holidays. So I took down the rest of my fall decorations that were still kind of lingering, and we are all good to go to decorate. First, I'm going to give you guys a haul though of all the Christmas decorations that I have bought this year. So for the occasion, I even have a little Christmas Coke. It has Santa on it. So okay, first I'm going to do Amazon because it was the place where I purchased the least amount of things. I just got these two throw pillowcases. I have like a bunch of random patterned throw pillows that I have acquired over the years. I just got these two pillowcases because I thought it would be festive and cozy for the holidays, but I also would be able to use it year round because they're just white, super comfy, super cozy. I'm obsessed with how soft they are. It's a lot less risky than buying a throw pillow that you may not like a year from now because you can just swap it out. And then also from Amazon, I got these two ribbons. I'm obsessed with all the bows and the bow trend going on right now. I think I'm going to incorporate ribbons into a large aspect of my decor, and that is all I got from Amazon. Moving on to Marshall's, I only got one thing from here, but I'm so excited about it. It's just this massive candle. Literally, this is my head and this is the candle. It's literally huge. It's a coconut and beeswax blend with a natural wick and essential oils. What I liked about this is that it wasn't like a super strong Christmassy scent. Definitely for me, I can get headaches if there's like a candle that smells too strong or something, especially one that smells too sweet. It has like a little coconut scent, but it's also very fresh. It's gonna last me forever. Last place that I went where I got the most things is Target, of course. Target has some of the best Christmas decor. I actually got these Christmas decorations before Halloween because they put their Christmas stuff out in the dollar section before Halloween, and I knew people were going to run full speed to that dollar section on November 1st. So I was like, I might as well just get it now while it's still here. I got these two frosted pine branches because I'm gonna put them in a vase that I have in my room. I just thought they were so cute, and I love the berries, the little pop of red. The next thing that I got are these two little fuzzy Christmas trees. I think these are so cute. They were $3 each. They're just so cute. But I just got this little white one and then this green one. Then I just got this little snowman and he also was only $1. It's so cute. The next thing that I got is this little iridescent house. I thought that this was so pretty. I kind of want to do like a little Christmas village setup, but I don't know where in my room I'm going to be able to do that. So we're going to figure it out together. But I just thought this was so cute and it was only $5. So, and to go with it, I got a little iridescent nutcracker. I just thought he would be so cute, just like standing next to it. Last thing that I got are these two little Christmas trees. They're just little ceramic ones, and these were also only $1 each. This one's like pastel pinkish and this one's like a sage green, but I just thought they were so adorable. I might put these next to the little gingerbread house. That is all the Christmas stuff that I bought this year. I have some more Christmas decor, like my Christmas trees and stuff that I already own. We're gonna get to decorating. I'm so ecstatic. Hello you guys, it is the next day and I am going to show you my finished room tour after I decorated it all. I finished up some last minute touches last night. Here is my holiday room tour. Starting out, we have my dresser. The knobs are a little wonky, so ignore that. Over here, I have a candle with a cute little bow. I have another candle. I put some of this greenery in this vase, and I think I got this last year at Target. Right on top of my mirror, I put this greenery with these little red candy cane lights, as well as putting some pink ribbons there as well. You'll probably notice that a lot of the colors I went for was red, pink, green, and like white. Then in this corner down here, I have my little Christmas village. I have my little Target decor right here. And then I have this tree in the back, which I already had. And I thought that my cloud perfume actually looked so cute next to it. And then over on my bookshelf, I did more of a simple decor. I did just my little trees right here, this little candy cane tree, but then I actually collect angels, and so my grandma has gotten me all these angels over the years, so I put them all up on this shelf because I thought it'd be so cute. And then moving on to my desk, I also did pretty simple decorations over here. So I just did my candle, which I lit last night, and it literally smells heavenly, you guys. And I did my little snowman. Over here, I have another angel snow globe. Love it, kept it cute and simple. And moving over to my bed, my lights are on. I mean, they're kind of dim on camera. I moved my bed to center of the room, so I do really like it here. I think it's super cute. I have my red Christmas pillowcases, the new pillows, and then I have just this little gingerbread squishmallow, which I thought was so cute. This plaid kind of flannel blanket at the end. Sleeping in this bed last night, I was knocked out. It was so comfortable. Moving on to this section, this corner of my room, I have my Christmas tree, which I'm actually obsessed with. I love the red, white, and pink. The decorations are so cute. It's like a mix of having like a cute Christmas tree and also having like a nostalgic, homey Christmas tree. Because like I have some homemade ornaments, like this I made when I was in 4th grade. Homemade ornaments, but then I also have some cute ones and some ribbon. So cozy. Like I love it so much. And then over here I have 2 stockings. For Christmas this year, my boyfriend and I are actually doing stockings for each other instead of like really big gifts. So we both have our own stocking. And then the last piece of my room is my nightstand. I just think that this came together so stunning. I have my little tiny Christmas tree over here with like a pink tree skirt. I have my 2 little Target pine branches, another candle with a pink ribbon, and then this candle that smells literally so good. I definitely think that these are my favorite Christmas decorations that I've ever done. If you guys liked this video, please like and subscribe. Also, turn on your notifications so that you get notified every time I post. And trust me, there's gonna be more holiday content. Don't forget to follow me on any of my other social medias to stay up to date. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Bye!